I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know.
Hello my loves, how have you been doing? So I have not vlogged for the longest time because listen, the last couple months have been chaotic, and I keep saying I'll stop vlogging again, but then it doesn't stop. Like the chaos just keep chaosing. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna vlog today, even though today is actually even more chaotic than the last couple days. So here's the thing. Today is Thursday. This is usually my filming day. I would film and edit and all that good stuff. But today, the person that usually helps us with work is not here. So I also have to do all of the house chores and do my own personal work. So welcome to that. We're gonna have fun today, regardless. We move regardless in this life. Also, the skin is flawless. First things first, breakfast, because let me tell you, baby girl is hungry and I literally barely have time. So I'm using this Lato milk powder because literally this is my first time trying it. So we'll see. This is going to be a taste test too. This should be enough. Okay, let's see how nice. Said my life is a mess. I was in the middle of making milk so I can make my smoothie, but actually my life is not a mess. I refuse that. My life is fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. But I need to write a letter and submit it today, but then I'm not going. A friend of mine is going, so I need to run quickly to the PC, which I ended up doing it on my phone anyway, which is the one I'm using to film. Writing a letter to my dean to explain the extension of my. By the way, let's taste it. Taste test this milk. Tastes fine. It's good. Anywho, so I needed to explain why our the deadline for our project paper submission needs to be extended just because our supervisors didn't tell us when the deadline is, and so it needs to be extended. As you have noticed, I cannot multitask to save my life. So our supervisors didn't tell us when the deadline is. Apparently, we are past the deadline, so we were supposed to be getting our results right now, but we didn't, which is actually annoying because I've been done since July, maybe August, somewhere around there, or beginning of August. No, it's done in July, but then because of the mess and the delayed corrections, that's why I've delayed. Anywho, so we write the letter, we submit it to the dean, and our results will come out later this month, I think, or in October. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna make a smoothie and then start with all the other responsibilities I need.
Even when you wanna walk away, when times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down.
Forgot the ice. Now it's so warm. I can't drink this. I need ice.
I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out. Cause everything else in my life without you would be boring, and we'll spend nights.
At least it's colder. Not all the ice is gone because this blender is not necessarily good for smoothies, but at least it's cold. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello to the happiest baby on the planet. I've actually never tried this before. The woman that helps us always does it, but today I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fry some cassava. So my mom usually boils them, and then when we fry them, inakuwa milaini. Umewahi kula mihogo milaini wewe? No. Anyway, so I'm gonna try doing that today by myself, and hopefully I can't ruin it. I mean, this thing is already cooked. If I ruin this, then truly the kitchen is not made for me. I think I ruined them. They're a little too crunchy, but I like them crunchy, so which means I didn't ruin them. We're fine. Everything's fine. So here are the fried cassavas that I tried to not ruin. Hopefully they're not ruined. I don't think they're ruined. So we're doing good. Also garnish some. Okay, kienyeji broiler. I don't know which one is organic. They're both organic. I don't know, but probably one is organic, and then this is broiler. I guess both are garnished with different. This one has chili and black. I mean, the chili powder and then black, what is this, black pepper, and I put in some lemon powder and then put on some regular lemon because I like it sour, and then salt, and that's it. And then this one just a little bit of ginger and garlic because if you know cook kienyeji, you know that can be hard to boil. So I'm boiling this one and grilling this one, and That's the thing about mihogo, man. It's hard to ruin it. But it 20 minutes later, we are done. As you can see, we almost burnt it, but we good. We did not. Also, I probably put a little bit too much oil on the surface just so it doesn't get stuck, but all that's left is the soup, which is yet to be okay. So the only way to know if the boiled one is ready is if you taste it. So obviously I took out a piece and started tasting. This is the only part of the kitchen I actually like. It's hot. Maybe I'll give it 5 or 10. 10. Okay, 5. Okay, 10. 5, 10, 5, 10. 10, 5, 10, 5. 5, 10, 5, 10. 10, 10, 10 it is. I was almost completely done. Then I was about to have lunch and realized that I actually want some sauce. So gathered my energy and decided to make some sauce. There, that's the onion and the tomato is boiling now. The soup is ready. Yeah, the kitchen is almost clean. That one needs to get, okay, that needs to go down. I'll just wash the blender and I'm almost done now. It's gonna be chicken stew. So we're gonna add the broth and we're gonna be done. That took like 15 minutes. Hope it's ready. If it's not, then tomato is not poison. It's okay. It's all right. It's not looking as fine as it usually does when the woman makes it or mom makes it. But we move regardless. It is 1:35 p.m. Baby girl has not gotten a bath, but she's gotten all of the work done. It's a good time to have lunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and have lunch and just sit and relax. Actually, I'm gonna sit for like 10 minutes and breathe and then properly have lunch. But kitchen is clean except for that griller or whatever that is called. But we cook, we put some things together that can be edible, and doesn't that look so pretty? Got some cranberry juice, the sauce, which I added some pepper and lemon, and we're good now. And then we got some greens, then spinach, and we got some cabbage, and decided to add some chicken because there was a little lack. I noticed that there was no protein, so I added some chicken. Now I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and enjoy my lunch. Actually, wait, or should I watch Hometown Cha Cha Cha? No, let me finish the YouTube video. Oh. It's the professor from law school. She looks so different. Anyway, I'm watching Hometown Cha Cha Cha. Is it her? It is her. Update 2:42. I have had my lunch done the dishes. Now, this is the time that I was going to record a YouTube video. I have a styling video in mind. However, the vision is not coming together. I don't know. Usually when I have an idea, it's just an idea of a video, and then like the video kind of like as days go by, it comes together until the day I have to film it. It's already together in my brain, and then I film it. But somehow I can't get the outfits for this video together. So I'm gonna put away my laundry now and try to do the ironing and then putting my clothes up there and then see how I can make the video come together. Because maybe when I see more clothes on my wardrobe, then it will come together. A lot of my clothes are not there. That's because, as I said, somebody usually helps us with the chores. So she also helps us with laundry. And since I don't like to put laundry away every single day, it's just a waste of time. So I just pile it up and then one day I take it all, put it in place, and then iron it. And where I store it while waiting is this part. If you've seen my roasting my closet, which if you haven't, you totally should, roasting my own closet video, I told you there's a section in my wardrobe, everything looks well and pretty, and then there's a section in my wardrobe where it's just for miscellaneous stuff. That's where I store. Oh, hi Elice. Hi Elice in the mirror. Hi. I miss my nephew. Should I call him? I mean my other nephew, Aaron. So there's clothes there. I'm gonna put them away. Those that need folding, those that need ironing, and
Everybody know.
hey.
Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's side, but nobody can deny. 'Cause you know I get it. 나는 아무리 봐도 완벽한 난 getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on. 신경 끄고 다 같이 freaky. Get it right. 상관하지 마, 그냥 미쳐버려. Getting crazy. 나는 내가 먼저. Dripping ice like a bucket 없어. 아프게 always in first place. I be bossy 'cause I own it, know it, I'm a red. Getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on. 신경 끄고 다 같이 freaky. Get it right. 상관하지 마, 그냥 미쳐버려.
Wow, this movie has so many stars. While I love the main characters, also really love the side characters. Oh, I remember him from Romance is a Bonus book, and this other movie, I can't remember it. Oh, and Vincenzo, of course. Wait, is that his? Just having him makes me know that it's gonna be a good show. Baby! That dimple. Sweetie! So it is about an hour later. It's now 4 p.m. and I'm tired. As you can see, my mind went blank. I'm exhausted. I've just been ironing, and so I decided to make myself coffee. So the coffee that I've been using is the Nuru coffee chap. It combines the, let's see the language for everyone. It actually combines, where is the place written? Or was it here in the first place? Yeah, it was here in the first place. Instant coffee mix, 3-in-1, coffee, milk, and sugar. So it makes it easier to make because obviously instant coffee. But times like this, for example, in the afternoon, I like my iced black coffee. Like I don't really want it to have milk. But since this is what we're dealing with, so I'm gonna have it. However, I miss Africa. I feel like I would prefer this in the morning, but I would want black coffee in the afternoon. So I think I'm just gonna buy the Africafe and then have both of them. They're actually really useful. Anyway, as you can tell, the energy is on the low, but really enjoying Hometown Cha Cha Cha. If you haven't watched it yet, you need to check it out. And if you're watching any other K-drama, then hit me up. Actually, even if it's not a K-drama, leave a comment down below of what TV show you're currently watching. It's 49 p.m. and baby girl has not even gotten a bath. The so-called productive day. Anyway, we're gonna get a bath and change from pajama to to do that TikTok. It's actually a very funny TikTok. Do y'all know a TikTok? Anywho, from jammy to jammy, I love this dress. It's so comfortable. I think I tore it. Chronicles of being Elice. Like, we can't be normal. Like, I could be normal, but what's the fun in that? Okay, so I tore my dare. Online business class, which is funny because like I just got a business degree, but then you can never stop learning, and this one was going to be a very more practical because there's a way school doesn't give you your money's worth. Anywho, so I signed up for this other business course, W4B, work for a living, yeah. And so the class is online twice a week at 9 p.m. So today is the class and the notes are online. So I've already done my study. Now it's time for class. I'm kind of tired, but also honestly I'm excited, but today I'm just off. There's just a lot going on mentally. My head is not in the best place, but yeah, we move regardless. Hey guys, just coming on to end the video. I just finished my morning workout. I'm now having breakfast. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Oh, my voice is still a little bit husky. I love this. Why can't I just maintain this tone? Come 2 p.m, girl is shouting. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the video, to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video, it actually does help. So please like this video, share it with a friend, let a friend discover a new YouTuber, okay? Share it with a friend, turn